Welcome. Liver is the largest organ, and a powerhouse for other organs in the body. All the blood from stomach and intestines passes through the liver. Liver purifies the blood from toxic elements, and also creates, balances, and breaks down the nutrients. Foods have a greater impact on your liver. You should eat the following foods for the better health of your liver. As grapefruit contains antioxidants that protects liver naturally. The main antioxidants are naringenin. Grapefruit provides protection to liver in two ways. It reduces inflammation. It protects cells. Grapes contain a variety of plant element, most specifically in red or purple grapes. It has a compound called resveratrol. Studies show several health benefits that grapes have for humans. Some of the health benefits for liver are: lowers inflammation, prevents damage, enhance antioxidant levels. Prickly pear is a common edible cactus all over the world. It is consumed as fruit and juice as well. It has been used in treatment of the following traditionally: ulcers, wounds, fatigue, liver disease. Nuts are rich in fats, vitamin E, and some other important elements. These all key plant elements are beneficial for the heart health but also works great for liver health. A study in 2019 found a greater impact of nuts in decreasing the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The man who takes more nuts and seeds in their diet had a lower risk of developing NAFLD than those who take nuts and seeds in lower amount according to a latest observational study. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and cranberries have some antioxidants called polyphenols. It can protect your liver from any damage. Consumption of berries would increase the level of antioxidant. Fatty fish and fish oil supplements may reduce the danger of getting NAFLD. As far as fatty fish is concerned, it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. And, omega-3 fatty acids are helpful in reducing inflammation. It's helpful for liver in multiple ways, such as: it prevents excessive fat buildup, maintain enzyme level in liver. Proper diet is important for the health of liver. You should have a diet containing all the essential elements needed for the functioning of all organs and organ systems.